Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Miller here. I am at Dr. Detail in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Greg gave me a call. He said you have to come check out this cool car we have here. So we are going to go check it out. But let's just first look at some of the cars they have outside. Here's a nice Carrera white Boxster Spyder. Very cool car. It's got that crazy top, which you have to take off and put in the frunk. Doesn't go back into the cover there. It is a manual transmission car. Really nice. Really cool looking, these cars. They've got this special tonneau cover with like the cool old school Ferrari style convertible top. You can see in there the manual transmission with the white painted trim, and it has the fixed bucket carbon fiber seats. And then for all you old school Porsche lovers, this white on the blue, it even has blue interior. Let's take a look at the interior. Blue dash, steering wheel, seats is probably a individual option at the time. Here's a nice Focus ST, little sibling of the bigger Ford GT and the Focus RS. This one is front wheel drive. Okay, it's gonna be hard to hear me in there because they're currently detailing some cars and it's a little dark, but it'll be worth it. Here we have a one-of-one special order paint Audi R8 V10 Spyder. I'm trying to find out the color from the owner, but for my eyes, it is either Riviera Blue or Mexico Blue from the Porsche line. It is beautiful. Supposedly it took over a year for them to spec this car out because Audi didn't want to do the exterior and interior trim that the guy wanted, but he got it done. Take a look at the inside. So this car has a special interior. It's black trim, blue stitching, which is supposedly very hard to get, and this cream leather. Here you go, Audi Exclusive. She's got the illuminated R8 door sill, the Audi Sport that lights up under the door, and this cream leather, blue stitching everywhere. The blue trim is on the steering wheel, on the dash. We've got the Audi virtual cockpit in the R8, of course. It's very minimalist in here. Everything's kind of facing towards the driver. Dual clutch transmission. The seats are really cool. This cream with the blue stitching and the blue trim on the door. Four-wheel drive quattro in the R8. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Engine start stop, drive select, which gives you suspension settings and shifting and engine settings. Audi Sport lighting up the reef sandals. So this is the R8 Spyder. I don't believe the Spyders are had in a V10 Plus, so it is about 565-ish horsepower V10. Really cool diffuser down here. It goes really deep under the car. You can see the exhaust system through there. The engine unfortunately isn't clear, so you can't see it, but we can pop this little back piece. Alright, so here's the little engine cover that you can pop open. Just like a 911. Really small. These are the intakes. Oil goes there. You can't really see the engine back there. Unfortunately, the 5.2 liter V10. So that was a quick look at this one-off blue Audi R8 V10 Spyder. Just a little quick video. Hopefully we'll get a driving video soon, and I understand the customer has quite a collection of cars. I believe this is actually his wife's. He has a red Spyder for himself. So thanks again, it's Jonathan Miller. Check out www.itsjonathanmiller.com. Check out Dr. Detail if you want your car ceramic coated or just washed or any kind of cleaning. I will put their link and their information down below. Thanks guys, take care.